Hello guys, review smartphone Xiaomi 13 Lite. This version 8GB memory and 256GB internal memory, ROM memory. Okay, open box and look completion to the device. In completion we have protected back cover, documentary and key for SIM slot. Close this. Device pink color. Okay, and other completion we have quick charge adapter and Type-C cable in completion. Now talk about device. Device made of glass and plastic. On the back side triple camera LED, on the front side 6.5-inch display. On this side power button and volume buttons. Downside Type-C port, slot for 2 nano SIM card, speaker and microphone. Upside we have nothing, and on this side without controls. Okay, open, unlock display. We have AMOLED display, 120 Hz, Full HD Plus resolution, AMOLED display. Look results. Geekbench results, Geekbench 6 results, this tests GPU. We have GPU Adreno 662 and CPU results. CPU we have Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1. Close this. Okay, run demo and game GTA San Andreas. Okay, game load finally, and works good on the max graphic level without lags and glitches. Okay, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.